I just bought one of these Vevor 2x82 belt grinders, and because I live in America, we use 2x72 belts, and it's really simple to convert one of these to accept 2x72 belts. You basically have to do two operations. You have to relocate the shock absorber, and you have to cut down the platen arm so that the flat platen will not hit against the motor when you make that attachment. I believe the contact wheels will work from the factory with the 2x72, but the flat platen, which is what I'm using here, will not work. You don't have enough slack in the belt, so you have to cut down the arm so that it'll work. So I'm just going to show you those two items, and then you got yourself a 2x72 on the cheap. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to relocate this pin. I had to drill and tap a fresh hole from this hole right here, which allows the tension arm to come down a little bit, gives you a little bit more slack. The other thing is this bolt right here, you could actually relocate it back to give you a little bit more angle and a little more slack. I just cut it down so that the bolt will bottom out without running into the platen arm. And then the last thing is the platen arm itself. I cut 1 3/8 inches off of that. So now that doesn't run into the motor, and you have plenty of clearance. You still have plenty of meat on this bar, so that's not going to be a problem. And boom, you have a 2x72. So yeah, basically it's real easy to convert one of these. I came from a 1x30, the Harbor Freight 1x30. That's what I was making all my knives with. So I can't wait to use this. So far, I've done one operation with this thing. Where is that knife? I just hogged the material off on this one to bring it down, and I was able to get this down to the knife edge in about 3 minutes, whereas with my 1x30 I would have been out here for probably about 45 minutes trying to get it to this point. So it's already worth the money. So if you have an opportunity to get a 2x72 and you're using a 1x30, do it. Thank you, and check me out on Instagram, Littleton Supply Co. Catch y'all later. Peace.